Here's another quality vehicle offered by Randall No Auto Group.
Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Visit Randall No Auto Group today. We're conveniently located at 1608 Westmore Avenue in Terrell, Texas.